In this video, I'm going to show you if Spartan hair shampoo is legit or a scam. All you have to do is to go to the website, then follow up with me. As you can see, here that they claim that this shampoo fights hair loss, and they are posting pictures of before and after, but these pictures seem like they are generated and copied over and over again. As you can see, they claim that it's drug-free, increases hair growth, strengthens follicles, but as you scroll down, you can see that the reviews are fake and they are made up. As you can see here, these pictures are copied over and over again, and the reviews only 5 stars and 4-star review. So there is no 1 star, no 2 star, and no 3-star reviews. And here you can see the testimonials, but as a client, you can't have a big testimonial like this. So this seems fake because a customer will not put his email and personal number at the end of the testimonial because clients agree that their privacy will not be shared online. So as you can see, the client here is listing his email and his phone number. So this seems fake. And you can go ahead to the Reddit. As you can see, did anyone try shampoo? And the comments here are saying it's a scam. Don't waste your money. It's scientifically impossible. So this was a review on whether Spartan hair shampoo is legit or a scam. And I recommend you to go ahead to any other website that's legit and buy your shampoo from there.